I'm going to hope that there's sound to go with this. My little tech tip for the day is when moving assignments and adjusting due dates, there's this fancy little hotkey over here that says Edit Assignment Dates. Notice I'm in Canvas in my specific class in Assignments over here on the course menu. And I go up here to my snowman, Edit Assignment Dates. And you can select all of them, or as many of them as you want. You can batch edit and say, move everything forward 364 days, which I'm not going to do. But when you're copying a class from one semester to the next, that's very helpful. Or we'll say you just screw things up, because I do that a lot and then have to try to recover really quickly, and they're not always in the right place on the calendar and not in the right month, whatever the excuse may be. There is a little fancy calendar here that you can do and just click all of them at the same time. This also, I think, would be hugely important if we used the available from and available to spaces. But as you can see here, these show up in chronological order. And so I can easily check due dates here and see that everything is due when I expect it to be, or I can change them just from here. So I hope that helps.